basic idea is that there's a groove that I can follow that's exactly right for exactly right for
Sometimes when I try to reason, you don't seem to listen at all. If we stay here longer.
Get out this other window. He's right there.
Today we are doing a affordable.
Put a bullet hole in the door. God! That's Blitz, first of his name, last of his line, King of the Iron Throne.
It just makes me more depressed. The stupid show won't be out for another year.
Yeah, we always do the stupid thing. Oh, I got a guy. I see him. I'm gonna crossbow him. Oh, I missed! Uh-oh. In the stadium! Uh-oh, I made a mistake. Hold on. We call this the triple mistake. I killed. Help! You missed! How did you miss? He was 4 feet in front of you!
Really, Mushu?
You missed. I saw you miss. You didn't even give me up! Motherfucker. Give chase, John. Give chase! I'm here now. Let me in. You scared the bejesus out of me with that crowbar. I'm here now. Let me in. I'm working on it! Damn it!
Audrey, there's something wrong with your dad.
What's wrong with her dad?
He's crazy.
Yeah, she is very crazy. Dad, you have to stop
Do you hear her?
I literally didn't have a gun until you guys went down. You know what, August, you're being such a good boy. I think I'll give you another snack. He's not having anything with sugar in it, so I mean, there's that. I'm giving him straight cocaine right now, okay? You have literally ate through all the little crunchies. You've got 4.
Why did you say that was the best?
I'm landing at the L, boys. I'm landing at the L.
Why are your pool passes fake,
There's so many people here.
How do I get the other one?
Ah! Let's turn around! On the roof! Here, hide behind that refrigerator.
Oh, I just shot the game. Oh, there's no post. That's the post from. I just get
Uh-oh, get him, Blitz. Oh, yay! Yep, you're running through town. You got stuck on some barrels. You're okay. You're alive. There's another one right on John, Blitz. Look at him. Right there. No, to your left. That's Razak, you piece of shit. Interesting. I'm coming. I got a gun. I'm coming. I had to find a gun. You know what? Let me do me, bud.
So for lash glue, I used to use.
Oh my God. Explain to me how that first shot missed.
House of Lashes.
When I say explain to me how that shot missed, I mean shut the fuck up, bud.
House of Lashes is so much better. So I usually wait at least 30 seconds before putting these on.
I mean, why couldn't you guys do all this? What?
Any sooner and
I mean, I know you did some shit. What did he do? Uh-oh.
Any
That's a
earlier?
shotgun shell.
Any earlier
Anybody
than?
else? Oh, mother! God damn it! Hey, August, get up here. Yell right into my microphone. Say, Knuckle, shut the hell up. We have a 5-man for CSGO. He's taking his view with him. He's going home, he's taking his basketball with him, goddammit. Where are we going? Razak again? Bud, we don't ever land together, okay? I need you to get on me and Blitz's strategy, where we just own shit separately and meet up later. Well, now you're gonna see it.
Alright, come sit by me.
Yes, you do it on the
Let
bed.
me clean up.
No, dude, there's no way I'm getting there. That's on the other side of this fucking bay. We're not checking the care packages. That's out of the question. I've tagged him twice.
Boo! Don't say boo, wow! You fun! Hey, what do you say? Don't say that! Stop! I just heard this. I just got a call. No,
Aman.
Why are you?
Okay, we have a motorbike, so.
And
Wait a second. I'm still ready.
I totally been down here.
Two guys in front of us, 3 guys in front of us, 3 guys in front of us. Down 2.
What?
Got them all.
Hold
got 'em
on.
all. He's not shooting at us.
You want some more fish?
Yeah. Oh man, I got a sweet tooth. That's when you're gonna need a root canal. I love sugar. This one for all the nice, clean, decent women. Pay close attention.